Stop doing that. Put your clothes on. Ma'am, put your clothes on.
No, why you grabbing him like that? No.
Doing whatever you want.
Man, I'm a free man. I'm a free man.
And I have bad anxiety. If I pass out, it's my fault too, right? Like, what the
On October 15, 2024, law enforcement officers initiated a traffic stop after observing a vehicle fail to come to a complete stop at a stop sign. Upon approaching the vehicle, officers noted that the passenger was not wearing a seatbelt, a circumstance that subsequently led to an escalation of the encounter.
You gotta stop at stop signs, okay?
What stop sign?
Okay, I'll just write you citation.
I'm gonna take it to court.
That's fine. That's your right to do so. Okay. It seems like, ma'am, you got a license on you, ma'am?
No, ma'am. No, sir. I'm a minor. I don't want to talk.
How old are you?
I'm
19.
I'm 18.
So you're not a minor. You're an adult.
No, but I don't want to talk to nobody.
Okay, we're not wearing a seatbelt, so I need your ID.
Seatbelt is broken.
Okay, it's still illegal, so you could have sat in the back. I need your ID. I need your ID. It's plain and simple. You have to be wearing a seatbelt in the front seat.
I don't know. Nothing.
So,
about
it's a safety issue. You could have sat in the back if the seatbelt's
I
broken.
didn't even know.
Okay, I don't. Well, okay, unfortunately, you could have switched to the back, so I need your ID. I need your ID. Are we gonna keep going back and forth, or I'll have to take you to jail for resisting? It's that simple. I'm giving you a lawful command for you to give me your ID.
I'm not a part of it. It's not even my vehicle.
It doesn't matter. You're not wearing a seatbelt in the front seat.
Ma'am, I need you to identify yourself, okay?
Sure. Okay, I'll explain it to both of you guys at the same time.
crime
Okay.
did she commit?
She's not wearing a
Who
seat.
did she injure?
Are you gonna let me explain, or you keep talking over?
She's not driving.
Hold on.
Yeah, Mike.
Front seat.
You're gonna step out of the car.
Write me that citation. I don't have to get out the car.
Yep, you're being difficult, both
No,
of
I'm
you.
not. I gave you my license registration.
So I'm educating you. Okay.
Okay.
The least you can do is give me your ID because it's required.
Where is the case law? Who did I injure?
Pennsylvania versus Mims is the case. It's very cut and clear. If you're in the front seat, you're not wearing a seatbelt. You can go. You get a ticket. And you're required to identify yourself.
I'm going to get a ticket for even if I identify myself. I'm not going to get a ticket.
No, it's a ticketable offense, but we use our discretion to give you a ticket or not. But you have to identify yourself. Okay? Because if we're gonna write a ticket for somebody,
But are you
right, we have to know who they are. What's that?
writing this?
As of with how things
Don't
are
hit
going,
my
you're
shit.
probably gonna get a ticket. I need your ID. Both hands on the steering wheel. I'm gonna have you step out. Both of you are stepping out of this car. You first. You hear me? Nope. You're not doing whatever you want.
Man, I'm a free man. I'm a free man. I don't recognize your authority.
God, can you call my mom, please?
No, I'm not calling out right now.
I don't know what's going on. I'm in fear for my life right now.
Put your hands on the dashboard.
I'm in fear for my life.
Put your hands on the dashboard. Ma'am, put your hands on the dashboard.
Keep your clothes on, ma'am. Stop doing that.
Stop. Ma'am, what are you doing? Put your clothes on. Put your clothes on.
Ma'am, you're gonna get pulled out and we're gonna put your clothes on you. Stop doing that.
Stop doing that. Put your clothes on. Ma'am, put your clothes on.
No, why you grabbing him like that?
Stop.
No. Call my mommy. Call my mama. Call my mama.
Ma'am, what are you doing right now? What are you doing? Come on, put your clothes on.
Mommy, I want my mama.
Cinderella.
Cause y'all stopping him, y'all put him under the door. Y'all arrested him for nothing. We didn't do nothing.
Put your bra
We
on.
didn't do nothing.
Put your arm on. Come on, come on.
We didn't do nothing. We didn't do
Ma'am, can you
nothing.
put your arm through the
We
sleeve?
didn't do nothing.
Okay, let's do this.
Because
Let's
y'all
put
was
your
trying to pull
jacket
me
on.
out of the car. We didn't even do nothing.
Put your zipper on.
No, it's hot.
We're gonna cover you up because you felt the need to take off your clothes for
Cause
no
y'all
reason.
It's hot. And y'all trying to pull us out of the car. Bill was gonna take off my shirt. And y'all put us in the
Now you're
car.
gonna be covered up.
Nothing.
You're gonna be covered up and you're gonna be detained.
For what though?
Because you're failing to identify yourself.
I gave him my ID. He has my ID.
Does he have it?
Yes.
Okay.
Then
Then we
Why
will.
am I getting pulled out of the car? He has my stuff.
You're just detained. We get a traffic stop.
Why though?
Stand there.
In Florida, we could ask any occupant of the vehicle to step on out.
You're unlocked.
Yeah, driver door.
It's so hot. I hate being outside like this.
You're doing the most right now.
I hate being outside like this. I don't like being stopped for no reason. I don't like being bothered.
I don't consider any searches.
I don't like being exactly so wrong.
You failed to identify yourself. You failed
I
to
talked to my man though, and I
identify
said I don't want
yourself.
to talk.
I was standing at the window. You failed to
I said
identify.
I don't want to talk.
Oh,
Y'all
you need
stopped him
to
for his
identify
car.
yourself
Why?
because you're not wearing a
I never heard
seatbelt.
that.
You're not wearing
I
a
never
seatbelt.
heard that though. I never heard that. I had identified myself.
Then we are the law enforcement officers. We educate people on that. We don't give tickets and arrest people for no reason.
I don't like talking to the police though. I don't like talking to.
Then all you gotta do is listen.
It's not me. I'm not the person.
All you gotta do is listen.
I have anxiety
That's
though.
it.
Like I don't like
doesn't
this
have
being
anything to do
outside
with it.
in front of everybody.
That has nothing to do with it.
This is ridiculous.
That has nothing to do with it. You're throwing out excuses for no reason. That has
I'm
nothing to do
not.
with it. You should have gave us your name at the beginning. We would have left you in the car. You would have stayed in the car. You probably would have got a ticket or a verbal warning, and that's it.
And then after I already gave him my ID, we always finna take him out of the car. Then y'all said take me out of the car because he wasn't cooperating. I cooperated.
No. I stood at the door with my partner for at least 3 or 4 minutes, and I gave you
You got
multiple.
mad when he wasn't cooperating. You already was finna take me out of the car, and I was cooperating with you at
No,
that
you were
point
not.
when I gave you my ID because you
It's
had
too late.
before exactly too late because you was he was
Too late.
already
You
not cooperating.
did this to yourself.
Exactly. We always do it to ourselves. We know. If y'all kill me, I did it to myself too, right? If I pass out because I'm hot out here, I have asthma. And I have bad anxiety. If I pass out, it's my fault too, right?
I have asthma as well.
Like, what the leave me alone. Y'all stay messing with everybody's life. Now call my mama, please.
Not at this moment.
But can you call my mom?
Not at this moment.
This is ridiculous. I don't like being stopped for no reason. Y'all stopped this car 50 times in 1 month. Why? Y'all want it? Y'all want to confiscate? Write something.
Yeah, you can't see now. I'm familiar with the Plainview doctor.
And I'm glad I never been in it. This I swear to God, I've been in it twice. But bro, this is ridiculous. Y'all is sad as damn, I have really bad anxiety and y'all got me out here in the hot sun. I'm burning up.
Huh?
She's complaining about the heat.
I'm just burning up.
Is she going or no?
Yeah.
I'm burned up.
I know. This is kind of the base.
Stand up. We're gonna get you out of the heat.
It does count as total base. Judge, one total base.
Where am I going?
We're gonna walk to this car.
Where am I going?
I'll explain it to you when we sit inside the car. You're hot, right? We want to get you AC.
Yeah.
So here's the deal. Okay. You're gonna get arrested for resisting without violence. Okay.
Oh.
I gave you multiple commands for you to give me your ID, and you didn't give me your ID.
I gave you my ID, sir.
I sat there. I sat there multiple times, gave you commands.
And what else? What am I getting arrested for?
Resisting without violence. I just
That's
told
it?
you. Yes,
Really,
that's it.
sir?
Yes,
Bro,
that's it.
Please, I can't. Please, I
Unfortunately-
did not pull away from you though. I didn't do anything.
It doesn't need to be that. It isn't.
I just but I gave you my stuff.
It took way too long.
But I gave it to you within what 5 minutes? Oh my God, is he going to jail?
I don't know.
Like because he did this. That's what I'm saying. He did the same thing like us, and y'all stopped him.
My supervisor's here. She's gonna search real quick. Okay. Face the car.
He arrested me for not giving him my ID, but it didn't take longer than 5 minutes. They stopped him for not stopping at the stop sign. I'm confused. I'm really confused about it. The police been in my life all my life, so I'm really having anxiety right now. He been asking me for my ID. I'm like, well, why did you ask me for my ID and y'all stopped him? With violence or without?
Without violence.
Without violence, but how?
Okay. I'll explain to you in a second. Do you have anything on you?
No.
No? Okay. I'm just gonna...
Roger, can you please call my mama because I don't understand this.
Well, I'll explain it to you, okay? Have you ever been arrested?
Plenty of times for nothing, but seriously things, and this is nothing.
Real quick. Just have a seat real quick. I'll talk to you in a second, okay?
I don't want to go to jail.
Okay.
I didn't do anything. Please tell me before they take me. I don't want to go to jail. I didn't do nothing.
Give me a second, and then I'll talk to you again, okay? Just watch your feet, okay? Take care.
Good. Turn around for me, sir. Just stay facing that way until I get both the handcuffs off, all right? Appreciate you.
Yeah, where's your phone at? Okay. He needs her purse and her phone.
Okay. Her phone is right here.
Yes, and then her purse.
Okay. Sir, she needs her purse and her phone. I'm grabbing it. And she cannot have this. So I'm leaving the pepper spray in your car, sir.
She has weed in her purse.
She said she wanted her purse. They had weed.
Stand by. 95 in the car.
You got your business card?
I got you. So you got the ticket. These are 2 business cards.
You're not free to leave it.
Oh, you said I'm not free to leave.
You are not free to leave.
So I'm
weed in her
still
purse.
detained.
Yeah. She had weed in her purse. So we'll come. ID number. That's me. That's my
So if she had weed on her purse, your search only limits to the purse. It doesn't limit to the car. That is true.
That is untrue.
That is true.
What is your first name, sir? Okay. Anybody know? Bro, ticket.
What's his Leo? What's his first name?
I'm trying to give you back your stuff and this is yours. Do you want your visa?
You give them to me.
See, I'm trying to help you out, bro.
It don't matter. Y'all not helping me out.
By giving you your card, I mean I can put it back in the purse.
We can't. It don't even matter. Because right now you search my car and I say I don't consider you to search. Yes, you do.
No, you don't.
Definitely do.
No, you don't.
But it's all
You're-
fine though.
you're all
'Cause I'm
wrong.
getting all your names and badges.
That's fine. Everything you said so far is wrong, and I continue to correct you.
She wanted her purse
You
back.
can limit your search to the purse only.
Do you not understand me?
I said you can limit your search to the purse
That's
only. That's
not-
not my purse.
We understand.
I don't
that.
smoke or drink. You smell no weed coming from the car.
We understand that it's
So
not-
you can limit your search to the purse.
I'll take that.
you're wrong.
Yes, I am right.
We're not gonna risk our job.
I don't have to go to law school to know.
We're not gonna risk our job for a bad
Well-
deal. I promise you that.
But it's fine. I'm gonna get all your names.
Yeah, that's
and
fine. I gave you mine, and I gave you hers. I think everybody else gave you yours.
That's fine.
Oh, put this in
But
her
that doesn't
purse.
limit the.
I already stated I don't consent.
Yeah, doesn't matter. Purse is in the car, was it not? Was the purse in or out of that car?
Did you smell weed coming from the car, right?
Say less.
Plainview doctrine, right? You looked in the car. Did you see weed? No.
We found weed.
Did
I
you
don't even
smell
look.
weed? No.
We found weed. I don't even look.
Plainview doctrine. You found the weed inside the purse, right?
Inside the car.
Inside the purse, right?
Inside the car.
Inside the purse.
Inside. Of the car.
Inside the purse.
You can keep doing all this shit. We can still search this car. So you can keep doing all that
And
talking.
that's fine. Like
Go
I
to,
said.
go to the.
Did I get your
courthouse,
business
go to-
card?
Yes, absolutely. I got my name, my badge, everything on it.
Oh, well.
Go to the police department. Go to the Tallahassee court, federal court, whatever you need to go. Just go ahead and do it.
Yeah, it's no point of holding court on the side of the road, right? It's no point.
You're right.
Yeah, it's not.
That is actually a great statement.
So I see the body cam still rolling. Is yours rolling?
Absolutely.
Yours on the phone.
It's on. You see it? Get it.
You have no authority over
I
me.
do.
You're
I'm sorry.
telling me
You're
to
so-
stay here.
you're so
I'm a
detained
free
now.
man.
Stay there.
I'm a free man.
You see that? Red light on?
Okay. All right. So you search my car, right? Search my trunk. It's a locked compartment. You search my. It's locked too because you need my key to unlock it. You need a search warrant though to search compartment that's locked, right? Can you show me that search warrant? So you guys can't show me. So you can't show me the search.
Us not answering you is not saying you're right. It's just like we're not
I know.
gonna. That's all it is.
I understand that.
That's all it is.
This is just me putting you guys on notice.
Sure.
That's all.
Go for it, man.
Yeah, we can get him out.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do.
Are you good with the car?
Mike, are you good with him? Yes.
His keys are in the center.
All right. You're free to go. Do you have any questions for me?
I mean, as long as I get y'all.
Everything.
I care for
My
this stuff,
information.
yeah.
My information's in the ticket. You have everything on me. Your keys are in the center console, so you're free to go. Okay.
The driver was released after a search of his vehicle, while the female passenger was subsequently charged with resisting an officer without violence and possession of a controlled substance.